So at the roundabout, turn right, fourth exit.
Yeah.
What's next? Good. Count your exits.
2, 3.
That's got to be the best right turn you've ever done. Honestly, well done. That's genuinely legit. Probably the best one I've had. Well done. That's good.
I'm happy.
We're now taking the next road on the right.
Thank you, sir. This is me that can go first, right?
Yes. Why would it be you and not her first?
Because I'm going from the main road to
Yeah. And who had the line to demo you?
them.
There you are. So at the end of the road, at the crossroads, turn right. At the end of the road, turn left. To stop.
Why?
I've helped you stop. I've put my foot on the brake and you got the brake in. That's fine. That's why he's signalling right. Going to gear 1, get ready to go.
That's why signaling right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Now move forward.
Sorry. That was ridiculous, sorry.
That's fine. Nice and slow. The faster you come off the clutch, the faster the problem becomes your problem.
Okay.
Soon you'll approach a roundabout. At the roundabout, take the 4th exit, turn right.
Not sure what this guy's doing.
you know when you see an oncoming car,
No,
do you communicate with that car,
I tried to.
or do you just do what you think you need to do?
Just I do what I think I need to do.
By working with the car, or just doing whatever you want to do and then getting him to respond to it?
No, I think I'll be the prudent one, and if I don't see any anticipation of healing, if I don't see any healing, then I'll do it.
What I want you to do is find a safe place to pull up on the left.
Too close to the curb.
It's fine. Park the car. And cancel your signal. Just got one question, okay? Do you know, if I say to you, explain to me how you pulled up on the left. Forget where you've stopped. Forget the speed. Everything is perfect. I'm only talking about where you look. So when you pull up on the left, how do you do it?
I check on the mirrors.
Which one first? Everything you did was correct.
The left one, then the center.
Which one did you do first?
You did center one?
Correct. Inside mirror first, then you checked your...
Left.
Okay. Then you signalled,
Yeah.
then you pulled up on the left.
Yeah.
Just a question, why did you look in your inside mirror?
To make sure there's no one.
Fantastic. Why did you look in the left door mirror?
To make sure there is no one overcoming.
Okay, but you didn't do that when that taxi came towards you.
I didn't check.
You didn't check nothing, you just pulled it to the left. Do you understand what I mean by when I said to you, look, how do you communicate with people?
Yeah.
So the way you've just pulled up now, because you were in control, was perfect. Mirrors, signalled, nice and gentle, pulled up on the left. But when he was flying up the road,
No.
if you were going to pull up, if you were going to pull to the left, you don't need to signal, you need to check your mirrors.
Okay.
Do you understand the telling off I'm giving you now?
Yeah.
So do you know the way you normally drive? Do that when you meet other people. Now, if you don't have time to do that, what are you expected to do?
Stop.
There you are. I do. Just stop in the road. Look in your rear view, but just stop.
Yeah.
Nothing else you can do. But don't do that by swinging the car to the left.
Got it.
Okay? When you're ready, move off at the end of the road, at the crossroads, turn right.